What's up, guys? San Joaquin Valley Transparency. We got a video that was sent to us. It's a short video, so we're not going to spend a lot of time on it. We're going to do it really quick. We're going to go through it. We're going to audit the audit, right, guys? This is what it truly is about. An auditor auditing an audit. Come on, let's do this. So we're going to watch this video that was sent to me. I'm going to show it to you guys. And seems like this guy knows what he's talking about. He seems like he knows his rights. And check out this officer, how he acts. He does have a follow-up video that you guys want to go check out. He goes and does a FOIA request. One more thing really quick before we watch the video. It's called a FOIA request, Freedom of Information Act. I don't know where this word foil came about. It's not a FOIL request. Foil is something that you cover your chicken when you throw it in the oven. Keep in mind, guys, and even the woman in the other follow-up video, she also repeats it and she says FOIL request. And it's totally mind-blowing. I don't get it. Anyhow, let's watch this video. Let me know what you guys think.
Is that necessary?
You want me to file a report or no?
I do, but I want to know all the protocols. People use information for different shit. You know, it's a crazy time. If you're not going to do anything about anything.
I told you I was going to try and contact you.
Okay, my name is John.
What's your last name?
Viviano.
What's your middle initial, John?
W.
What's your date of birth?
6783.
Right here you live?
Yes, sir.
Once at the school, once there, once over here. That's
What's the
3 times
contact
today
number
alone.
for you?
607 743 2049.
Because this is a racetrack.
Okay, I'm going to try and contact her, include her in the report, and advise her to leave you folks alone.
Okay, I'm sorry I get excited. My family, I feel, is under, you know what I mean? It's really weird. It's really weird.
You know, and now you're standing there recording me.
I'm absolutely recording you, sir.
What is it about these police officers that get immediately butthurt when they see that someone's recording them? Makes absolutely no sense. And he's going to point to his own body cam right now.
I need this for documentation.
For what reason? I don't know.
Well, you took my intel because you're going to do something. I took your intel because if something doesn't get done, then I will do something. Okay?
Well, yeah, and then we'll turn around and then
You're
we'll have to
recording
do
me.
something.
You're recording me.
I have to. That's my policy.
Okay.
Now, check out the younger officer that's standing behind him. This is a problem, guys. Veteran police officers are showing rookie police officers how to do a bad job. Keep watching.
Okay? You work for me, though, right?
I don't work for you.
You're a public servant, yes?
Do not work for you.
Yeah, you definitely do. You definitely do.
I'm not going to argue with you. I'm going to follow up with
What's your name, sir? What's your name, sir?
Don't worry about
What's your name, sir? Don't worry.
Listen, if you get
This is
close,
officer. Don't worry
you're gonna
about it.
have an issue.
Well, no, I'm entitled to have your name. Okay. Officer, what is it? He's covering up. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Covering it up. Thank you. Congratulations. Excellent service. Excellent service. I appreciate you coming over, though. Have a good day, sir.
Unbelievable, folks. What year do we live in? It's mind-blowing how these police officers don't even follow their own policy. Now, let me ask you guys something. How do these law enforcement officers expect the people to follow any kind of law when they don't even follow law or policy? Constantly, we're seeing police officers commit crimes. A good example would be prior restraint. When somebody's trying to document what's going on and a police officer is standing in front of the camera or shining a really bright light in the camera so that you actually can't see what's happening. That's called prior restraint, folks. Why are police officers allowed to break the law, but you are not? Who holds them accountable? There's a reason why people are angry, and there's a reason why people are out there recording cops. It usually is a police officer's word against yours. That means when you go to court, if a police officer lies, and let's keep in mind that they're allowed to lie by the Supreme Court, they're allowed to lie. Are they supposed to be able to lie under oath? No, but they do it all the time. And I'm going to tell you guys something. If you don't have proof of what you're talking about, the judge and jury is usually going to side with police officers. Keep that in mind, guys. It's very important to document everything. Any and all encounters that you have with law enforcement, record it and document it. If you have any videos that you want us to look at, send it to recordpolicenow@gmail.com. We'll review it on here. And with that being said, this is a short video, guys. Like I said, go subscribe to this channel. I'm going to drop the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.